This video note introduces principles of visual design. There are 4 visual design principles that you can apply to the design of just about anything: repetition, contrast, proximity, and alignment. Whether you're designing a web page, a button, a logo, a DVD cover, a brochure, or a software interface, the 4 design principles will help you to create the look or visual aesthetic of your project and will determine whether your message is effectively communicated. To apply the design principle of repetition, the designer repeats one or more elements throughout the product. The repeating aspect functions to tie the design together and increases the cohesion of the web page. This web page demonstrates the use of repetition in a variety of design components, including color, shape, font, and images. The photographs displayed on the web page use similar colors, brown, tan, dark green, and off-white, which are repeated in other areas on the web page. Green is used for the background color of the navigation area and the text color of the headings in the content area. Brown is used for the background color of the call to action, search, and subscribe buttons, and the color of text in the center and right columns. An off-white color is used for the logo text, navigation text, and center column background. The call to action, reservations, and newsletter areas have similar shape and format with heading, content, and button. The use of only 2 font typefaces on the page also demonstrates repetition and helps to create a cohesive look. The website name and page topic headings are configured with trebuchet font. Other page content uses Arial font. Whether it's color, shape, font, or image, the repetition of elements helps to unify a design. To apply the principle of contrast, the designer should make the elements different in order to make the design interesting and to direct attention. There should be good contrast between the background color and the text color used in a web page. The text color and background color were chosen for each section of this web page with good contrast and readability in mind. Notice how the upper right navigation area uses a text color that has good contrast with the dark background color. The left column features a medium dark background that has good contrast with the light off-white text. The middle column features dark text on a medium light background to provide good visual contrast and easy reading. The dark text in the footer area contrasts well with the medium light background color. To apply the principle of proximity, place related items physically close together. Unrelated items should have space separating them. Placing related items close together gives visual clues to the logical organization of the information or functionality. The placing of reservations form controls close together gives visual clues to the logical organization of the information or functionality. Also notice that the horizontal navigation links are all placed in close proximity to each other. This creates a visual group on the page and makes the navigation easier to use. Proximity is utilized well on this page to group related elements. When applying the design principle of alignment, the designer organizes the page so that each element placed aligns vertically or horizontally with another element on the page. Let's explore how alignment is used on this web page. Notice how the page components are vertically aligned in columns of equal height. Notice how the reservations form controls are aligned both vertically and horizontally. Repetition, contrast, proximity, and alignment are 4 principles that can greatly improve your web page designs. If you apply these principles effectively, your web pages will look more professional and you will communicate your message more clearly. Keep these visual design principles in mind as you design and build websites.